What a beautiful day. Oh no, my plants. I am gonna water them. Oh no, there's no water. I have an idea. Ooh, there's river water.
Stop! Madumi na po, bawal dyan.
Oh no, what do I do?
Sustainable Development Goal 6, Clean Water and Sanitation, aims to ensure the availability and sustainable management of water for all. But the question remains, how can we make clean water more accessible, especially for small-scale farmers?
Water scarcity affects millions worldwide every day. Contaminated rivers, limited water access for farming, and poor sanitation remain critical issues, impacting agriculture and daily living conditions.
That's right, these students from UNIDA Christian Colleges created AquaPure, a prototype that collects, purifies, and stores river water for small-scale farms.
It started as a project but grew fast. These students found farmers struggling with clean water and found a solution.
The filtering system of their prototype uses filter with basic materials such as sand, gravel, and coal to filter river water.
They tested AquaPure based on the quality of the river water before and after the application of AquaPure. Their study aims to develop a prototype robot that filters and distributes river water for agricultural use.
The students' prototype contributes to the SDG 6 Clean Water and Sanitation by providing a consistent and sustainable supply of water for agriculture, particularly in areas with limited water supplies.
Incredible achievements! It's great to see students tackling global issues.
Absolutely! We'll follow their journey. Stay tuned for more inspiring stories. Enjoy your day.
Ooh, that's a nice product. I'm gonna buy that. Whoa! You guys appeared! How does this work?
First, let's find a nearby river.
Wait, ito may ilog!
Ay, kulit niyo ah. Saan makapasapit pa dumi?
Finally, I can water my plants.
Uy, abo, gising. Bilig ka na doon.